Welcome to this guide on enabling automated SMS sequencing. We'll walk you through the steps to set up your SMS campaigns effectively, ensuring seamless communication with your customers through automated messages. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on SMS, then scroll down to the Automated SMS Sequencing section. When you proceed to the Your Automated SMS Sequence section in the Campaigns tab, you'll find the option to enable the Automated SMS Sequence. Click to enable it and proceed to the next step. After enabling the sequence, click on Template to choose the appropriate campaign template from the drop-down menu. Please note, you have the option to enable up to 6 automated emails. They will be sent out on a monthly basis once a phone number is collected via the menu. Once you've selected your templates, click Update Automated Sequence to save your settings. This step ensures that your sequence is active and ready to send messages to your customers.